Tomi, Mia, and Luca arrived in a room with a huge mirror in the center. The mirror shone in a strange way, as if it hid something important. The three friends stared at it, wondering what new challenge awaited them.
What a big, shiny mirror. I've never seen anything reflect like this before. It gives me a strange feeling, like it's not just showing our outside, but something deeper, like what we carry inside. I don't know why, but when I look at it closely, I feel like it's showing something from my heart, something I don't always want to see, like my deepest feelings. It scares me a little, but I also think we need to understand what it's trying to tell us.
It must be another challenge, like the ones we've already faced. This place always puts us through tough tests, but they've all taught us a lesson that helped us grow. I'm sure this mirror isn't just here to show us our reflection. I think it wants to show us something we can't see with just our eyes, something we need to understand about ourselves and our friendship to move forward. We've learned a lot together, but sometimes understanding what we feel inside can be harder than any physical obstacle.
As they looked, the mirror began to reflect moments they had lived together. Each image that appeared was a memory of how they had overcome previous challenges. It was as if the mirror wanted to remind them how far they had come, the laughs, the fears, and the times they doubted, but also all the times they supported each other.
It's not just to remind us of what we've been through. I think this mirror is trying to show us something deeper. It's not just about what we did or the challenges we faced, but about what all of that has taught us. It's changed us somehow, made us stronger, not just as a team, but as individuals. And I think the mirror wants us to see that, to look beyond the simple images and remember what our friendship has meant throughout this journey. Everything we've learned together is reflected here.
Suddenly, the mirror changed and showed something darker, their fears. They saw their mistakes and the doubts they had during the challenges. The three friends felt nervous seeing these reflections. Seeing their failures so clearly was hard.
Oh no, I don't want to see this. I don't like how it feels. Seeing my mistakes so clearly makes me feel bad, like they're reminding me of everything I did wrong, and it scares me that it might happen again. I don't want to fail again, I don't want to feel weak or scared. It's like the mirror is showing me my worst fears, and I don't know how to face them.
No, Mia, we can't let fear win. Remember everything we've been through together. Every time we faced a challenge, it seemed impossible, but we always found a way through. And it wasn't just because of our skills, but because we always trusted each other. Our friendship is what has made us strong, what has helped us overcome every test. And now, even if this mirror shows us our deepest fears, we have to remember that together, we can overcome anything.
They closed their eyes and thought about how much they cared for each other. They remembered how their trust and their friendship had always given them strength. When they opened their eyes, the mirror no longer showed their fears, but instead shone with a warm light, as if reflecting the love and unity they felt for each other. Whoever looks with the heart, finds the truth. Only the light that comes from your union will open the next door. What you value most, what makes you stronger, will always guide you forward. The mirror disappeared, and in its place, a golden door appeared, bright and full of hope. The three friends looked at each other, knowing that together they could face any challenge the Enchanted Workshop had to offer.
Let's go. We're getting closer and closer to discovering the big secret. We've been through so much, but what we've learned the most is that as long as we're together, we can overcome anything. No matter how hard the challenge seems, our friendship is the most important thing, and as long as we stay that way, there's nothing we can't solve.
With their hearts full of love, the three friends moved forward, ready to face whatever the Enchanted Workshop brought next, because they knew that together, they would always find a way.